YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Affiliate link will be down below. That was easy. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Ooh, this is pretty cool. We got some good stuff right here. Something totally different. Something new. Just in time for the holiday season. Now we're in got still a few time for Christmas, so I want to start looking ahead of time. And might want to order one of these. Check them out. Affiliate link will be down below. And this is coming from, not sure who. That's KW11. CooHea. CooHea. Oh, links will be down below. We have a tripod floor fan. That's really cool. Hook it up to your business, small business, on the road. Rechargeable battery, noise reduction, negative ions, hand-ready remote, various forms, detachable, easy storage. That's always a good thing. They got different colors to choose from. There we go. So let's get into this thing. Set it up and test it out. It's always good to have an extra fan around. Especially for the people that need a fan at nighttime. Let me clear up some of these boxes. We have some room. Bada boom. Bada bing. Okay. So we got it out. This looks like the tripod. There. Here's a fan. Here's power. USB style. It's always good. If I think I can get it. Got another box right here. Ooh. It's empty. Maybe it was just to protect the fan. This one's here's a fan. Got the remote control. Got the manual. Now let me take this. That's empty. Yeah, that was probably to protect the fan. So we don't need that. Let me snip. There's a zip tie right by the end of it. There we go. Well, this is definitely something different. I usually don't need a fan because I only sleep for a few hours, so. But it definitely does help. Especially if you don't want to use your air conditioning all day. This is a good backup. Or in case your AC goes out too. Definitely going to need something. There's a pull tab right there. There we go. Pull that thing out. Throw that one away. Power cord, basic USB. I mean, not USB, but you know what I mean. And now we're going to take... Oh, this looks really cool. CooHea. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's not that heavy either. CooHea. Hopefully I didn't butcher the name. Now this must be the tripod. There we go, yep. Ooh. I like this color. Boom. So it's probably easy to hook up. There's a little spot right there. There's a little thingy right there. You make sure you connect these two thingies. And it should be... Make sure I do it right though. There we go. We heard it. Click. Boom. Hang. Alright. Now... Yeah, it's not too bad. Alright, let me plug her in. Plug her in. Well, hopefully this won't be a long video today. Like I said, though, definitely check them out. See what other colors or styles they have. I'm not sure if they got anything else for sale, but definitely see what other products they have to purchase. But if you like this item, click it, add it to your cart, check out. They'll ship it to you. Happy Labor Day weekend, everybody. Hopefully you guys are safe, having fun. I am staying in this weekend. I got some videos to do and relax. It's okay, so we got it here, plug it in there. There we go, nice and easy. There's like a button. Oh, you could adjust. There's a lot of things to do with this fan. This ain't your typical old school fan. Back in the days we had. Oh man, those were the days. Everything was different. Alright. Ooh, I heard a beep. Oh, look at this display. I could read it. Ooh. Oh wow, I could feel it. Yeah. It is gotta be a brighter. I can spin it. Oh, this feels nice. You can see it spinning. Oh, I could fall asleep. Yeah, this is definitely made over here. Full blast. Level 6. It's still really quiet, but it definitely feels good. I don't know if I could, but let's see if I can zoom in. You can see the levels right there. Maybe I got too much light. Okay. There we go. You can see the ion button. Oh man. Feels really good. This is really cool. And now, like I say, you could adjust. Extendo. Oh my god. I'm gonna put this on the ground. Lock it. Same way you open it, that's the same way you lock it. I just can't show you right now because I got my hands full. Oh, this is a nice, really nice setup. All the way down, all the way up. Bring back, I've been warm. Look at that. Oh hey, super cool, easy to set up. That's how quiet it is though. You can definitely fall asleep at nighttime with this for sure. I'm not sure what this button back here. Oh, I think it's like a reset. Okay, there we go. See there? Much brighter. Alright. figure that out. So really cool. Check them out. CooHea. Be safe. Have a good night.